Hey, what's up? Serg exclusive here. In today's video, we're gonna go over how you guys can make a passive income. Now 6 ways you guys could do it, and I'm gonna show you this in this video. So stay tuned. Guys, before we get started with this video, if you guys have not done it yet, subscribe to my YouTube channel because every week I will be posting new value for you guys. Alright, so there's 6 ways you guys could start making money while you guys are sleeping. Well, these are my top 6 ways you guys could make passive income, like 100% passive income. Make money while you sleep. So the number one is become an author. You guys could write your own books, your own ebooks. You guys could write about your life. Like mostly authors do talk about their lives, and also they write fiction stuff, non-fiction books that make it into movies, and that's pretty amazing, guys. But yeah, that's if you guys love writing and you guys want to get into that, become an author, go right ahead. It makes you passive income. If you made that book like a year ago, it'll still make you money, even if you have not written since then. So that's pretty amazing. So yeah, that's number one. The second one is what I do. It's called affiliate marketing. It's 100%, passive income. I love doing affiliate marketing. It's one of the best online business models that I personally love. Um, you know, you could start with YouTube. Do a blog. There's a lot of amazing affiliate marketing programs. Like Amazon is the one biggest affiliate marketing programs out there. Because you could literally sell anything you guys want. If you guys want to know more about affiliate marketing, I'll leave a link down below for you guys to get started for free, or if you guys want to invest and boost up your earnings on affiliate marketing. The third one is create a YouTube channel. A lot of people do YouTube because they want to spend more time on family, and they like pranking their friends and stuff like that. As you can see, YouTubers make pranks. Other YouTubers, like people who do like top 10, or people who like doing drama and stuff like that. But yeah, YouTube is 100% passive income as well, because you could make money. Let's say you made a video, just like becoming an author. You make a video a year ago, and that video will constantly still make you money, even after you upload it. And you have not touched it since you uploaded it. It still makes you passive income, and that's pretty amazing for YouTube to make you guys passive income. And you can also do affiliate marketing and create a YouTube channel if you guys like to combine both of those. 3 is create a YouTube channel. 4 is create a digital product, like create a course that knowledge. Like, let's say you know how to do videos, and you guys know how to edit videos. And you could create a digital product, like a course, to sell online, and it'll still make you money. You could upload it in Udemy. I don't know if I'm saying it right. It's Udemy. Yeah, something like that. That you could post it on there, and then you'll get free traffic with Udemy. Just create a digital product that will make you money while you sleep. That's pretty amazing, guys, creating a digital product. Number 5 is real estate. Real estate is 100% income. If you guys don't know what real estate is, it's basically selling your properties for a higher price. Just like um, or you could also rent out a property that you guys own and fixed up. You bought it for cheap and then you're renting it out or selling it for a much higher price. And number six is drop shipping, aka Shopify. What a lot of people love to use is Shopify. If you guys don't know what drop shipping is basically um buying a product and selling it from a higher price. Let's say you bought it like in a Chinese store and you're selling it for much more. Let's say the product is $1 and you're selling it for $20. So basically, that's what drop shipping is. A lot of people like using Shopify. So that's a good example right there too. If you guys are interested on doing a video on drop shipping, let me know down below in the comments. I'll actually do a video if you guys are interested in that on drop shipping. So that wraps up today's video, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, leave a like down below. Also, if you guys have any questions regarding any of these 6 methods of making passive income, leave a comment down below. I will get back to you, or not. You guys could DM me on Instagram at Serg_exclusive. You guys can follow me as well. You guys can follow me on all my social media, same at Serg_exclusive. So yeah, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.